Hello everyone, welcome to Sairam Math channel. This will be the first video of playlist for chapter circles of class 10. In this video, we'll try to discuss about some concepts of circle. Mostly class 10 circles chapter revolves around a concept called tangents. Now, we'll start the concept, we'll know what are tangents, we'll know some basic properties, and in short videos, we'll try to complete this chapter fully. Okay. Now, what are tangents? Let us say this is a circle. A line which does not disturb a circle, a line which cuts a circle, and a line which just touches a circle. There are three different lines. Okay, now a line which touches a circle is called tangent, and in this chapter we are going to discuss a lot about this tangent and its properties. A line which cuts a circle is called secant. Okay, now so let us discuss more about tangents in very short time. First property of tangent and most important property. A tangent touches a circle at one point, and if you draw a line joining center and that point, it will be obviously radius. So radius makes an angle 90 degree with the tangent. Very important property. Okay, radius and tangent make 90 degrees with each other. Very important property. First property for tangents. Okay, now second property. It's not a property. From a point outside the circle, you can draw how many tangents to the circle? Think. It will be 2. From a tangent which is outside the circle, you can actually draw 2 tangents to the circle. Our chapter actually revolves around this concept more. So remember that from a point outside the circle, you can draw 2 tangents to the circle. Okay. Now, as I told, radius will be perpendicular to tangent. What if I made these points meet where the tangent is meeting the circle and the center? Will it be 90 degrees? Obviously, it will be 90 degrees. Correct? So, most of our problems in this chapter revolve around the concept like giving this angle is theta, find this angle. How to find this angle? Let us name the points. Let us say point P is P, O, A and B. Can I tell O, A, P, B is a quadrilateral? This is a quadrilateral. Now, sum of all angles in a quadrilateral should be 360, right? As I have already 290 degrees, 180 of the sum is already finished. So, sum of these two angles should be 180 or not. So, always remember one thing, if a point is given outside the circle and you have drawn 2 tangents to the circle, then both the radius will obviously make 90 degrees with the tangents. So, sum of these two angles will be 180, making angle O as 180 minus theta. Very important. Okay, now in this video we have discussed 2 properties. What are the properties? This is second property. What is second property? In short, if from a point you are drawing 2 tangents, then angle made by those 2 tangents and angle made by 2 radius will be supplementary. Supplementary means what? Sum of 2 angles is 180 degrees is called supplementary. Clear? So 2 properties we have discussed, most important properties in class 10 CBSE point of view in this short video. Okay, now again I am revising once those 2 properties. First property is tangent and radius makes right angle is first property. Second property is if I am drawing 2 tangents from a point, then the angle made at the center and angle made by the tangents will be supplementary. If this is theta, this will be 180 minus theta. Clear? Now, Let us see how sums will be given on this concept.